The time has come to draw curtain to our program as we come to the close of it. A very good evening and a warm welcome to all of you to this valedictory session of the AICT Atal sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on their devices, organized by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Last 5 days, we have had deep insights into several issues on recent advancements in wearable antenna for medical applications. We had professors, industry persons and scholars from local and national level enlightening us both in theory and in practical ways in various areas such as research ideas and wearable and implantable antennas, various health hazards of radiation, antennas for endoscopy system, metamaterial based antenna, SIW antenna, and various design challenges and material selection for flexible antennas. Thank you very much to you all. We are happy to have with us the convener of this FDP, Dr. D. Nirmal, Head of the Department of ECA, Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. I invite you, sir, to deliver the valedictory address.
A warm good evening to one and all present here. It's a very pleasant evening there in our campus. I hope I would have had a very long and good session there along with our team. It is taken by Dr. Nesasuda, Mr. Merlin Gilbert, Mrs. Shinelet. As a team, they have organized this program. And also the topic which covered for this program is wearable antennas and hazardous metamaterials, stress analysis, and your selection of materials, implantable antennas, telemedicine, textile antennas. So variety of antennas you would have heard through this session. I got some feedback from a few of the members that the sessions was good and it was encouraging for us. The request from as a convener from my end, don't stop with this resources what we gain. Try to collaborate, try to take the research there in the next level so that the objective of our government is going to be fulfilled through our programs. The AICTE has taken various steps to enhance the developments there for our faculty members. It's a very good note, and also the beneficiaries are us. We are benefited out of it. I'm very glad about this. The many people have participated and get a benefit out of this. I'm not going to take much of your time because I have already given a glimpse there in the first session about our university, our departments and other things. Okay, we have our good faculty team there in our department. You are always welcome to have a collaborations. I would like to thank all the speakers. This is my custom to thank as a convener. Okay. Those who have shared technically with various institutes and the industries as well as the universities, and also research team members, and also counselors, those who have participated to take up this program as a vibrant. I would like to thank because 12 members shared their experience. I would like to thank each and everyone, okay, from our department and the university, to thank all this team members, those who shared their experience to us. And also I forgot to mention this. No, it's not going to be fulfilled my talk. Okay. The core team, I would like to thank the AICTE Atal core team, the director as well as the assistant director who have taken steps forward and given a support to our university to organize this program. Once again, I would like to thank all of you for this. Continue your work. The objective has to be fulfilled. Now this is just starting. You are going to take that to the next level of the design, similar installation as well as the fabrication aspects of the antennas, and collaborating with the antennas with other devices and the heterogeneous integration. Okay. The next dimension of the progress is going to be in the heterogeneous integration. It's not with only one platform or one substrate, on the same substrate. Multiple number of devices are going to be integrated. Okay. In that cases, your high power, low power, optical, communication systems, all things has to be fabricated on a single substrate. This is what the industry is looking now, the heterogeneous integrations. I look forward all the members and the researchers to take to that dimension and also fulfill the objective of the government, what they framed for this program. Thank you one and all for your patient listening. I am just handovering the session to the other members for further proceedings. It's a time for all of us. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This 5-day faculty development program wouldn't be a success without you all. We thank all the participants from various parts of the country for the active participation and coordination throughout this 5-day long FDP on wearable devices. Now the session is open to all of you for your valuable feedback. The participants may now unmute your mic and give your feedback.
This is the time for the participants. Probably one or two members, you can share your feedbacks. That will be encouraging for others too.
Yes, sir. Good evening. This is Dr. V. Hemamalini, Assistant Professor from SRMISP, Katangulutur. Actually, I belong to CSE department. So, updating the knowledge with respect to different kinds of antenna was really very useful for me, and it was a new topic, like oriented towards ECE was very new, and it was very useful also, sir. And all the session was really covered with correct content, and the timing was correct. And to be frank, the topics were the topics was related. I mean, the content was related to the topics which was given, and I do appreciate the particular members, the heads, and all the other members to conduct more and more sessions like this. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. I am J. Prashant Kumar from Ramchandra College of Engineering, Andhra Pradesh, sir. It is in Eluru. So I attended all the sessions, sir. One session I missed it because I am having class at the time. So regarding this Atal FDP, regarding this wearable antennas, it was very good, sir. All the topics were covered in an excellent manner. And one thing I want to request you, more sessions on HFSS, if you could have included, it would have been better, sir. Yeah, since this is the first time, you can conduct one more FDP so that more hands-on session will be there. And day before yesterday, one complex design was made. It was very good, sir. It was excellent design. A lot of knowledge I got. And most of the people are looking now towards biomedical and wearable devices. It was an excellent FDP, sir. Really, thank you very much for all the organizing team. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Professor, for your feedback and your suggestions. Probably we'll take your feedback and we'll plan for some sessions in the HFSS in the future. In fact, organizers have brought with a few more ideas in that. Sometimes we thought, a few members may be in the initial stage of their antenna design, so be restricted on a particular session for hands-on. Definitely, we'll take your suggestion and we'll look forward in the future, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any one more can share if you want. Probably we can give a time to that.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Hello.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening.
Sir, overall, the FTP is eye-opener for many people, those who are working in RF as well as antenna design area, especially on body area network and wearable antennas. Almost all the speakers were shown their work as well as explained the concepts from the scratch. So definitely, I hope these knowledge transfer will be useful for the researchers as well as the students, those who are working in this area. Sir, thank you once again for the opportunity given to attend this, and all the speakers were, explained the concept in a better way. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Ma'am, shall we move to the next part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Once again, we thank you all on behalf of Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Coimbatore. This 5 days FTP on wearable devices was made possible by many hands, hearts and minds working together. To express a word of appreciation and gratitude, we have with us the coordinator of the FTP, Dr. M. Nesasudha, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences, to propose the vote of thanks. I invite you, ma'am.
Dear participants, I would like to thank you all for your valuable feedback. We will definitely consider your feedback in the future events. First of all, on behalf of all our organizing committee members, I would like to thank our gratitude from the bottom of heart to the Almighty who enabled us to conduct the FTP successfully. Thank AICTE Atal team for recognizing our proposal under the thrust area of wearable devices and supported in all the way. This wearable devices is relevant to the today's social development areas. Also, it caters to the faculty community and the young researchers. So we would like to thank our management, Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellors, Registrar, Dean for their continuous encouragement and support in all directions. This time, I want to thank our expert speakers from different areas for the past 5 years who shared their experiences and research findings through this FTP. So already we have covered all these topics. We hope you will be benefited through these topics. Also, it will be very useful for your future research work. Last but the least, we would like to thank all the participants. Without you, this FTP will not be a successful one. So we would like to thank all the respected faculty members, researchers for your support, cooperation and active participation. So we'd like to thank one and all from our university, from our department, from our team. Thank you.
We thank Dr. M. Nesasudha for coordinating the program together with Mr. Merlin Gilbertrod, Mrs. G. Steinlet and Mr. John D. Kumar Janapala. The end of a story is the new beginning for many others. On this note, let's conclude the 5-day-long, memorable and knowledgeable FTP on wearable devices. On the behalf of Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences, I shower my heartfelt gratitude to the professors and every one of the Karunya family for their wholehearted support rendered in the success of this valedictory session and this faculty development program. Thank you very much. Be safe. Have a wonderful evening.
So again, thank you one and all.